Children, welcome to video class children. See children, now I am going to explain you in this lesson, ascending order in this lesson. Children, what is this lesson? Name, regional and Roman numerals. Now we are dealing with Roman numerals. In this Roman numerals, a small concept is there, ascending and descending order. Ascending order. In previous class I have told you, children, these values. These are Roman numerals, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are Hindu-Arabic numerals. These are Hindu-Arabic numerals. I have told you previously, these are invented by Romans and these are invented by, firstly used by Hindus and later on Arabians used. So, these are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. This is the Roman numeral value and this is the Hindu-Arabic numeral value. So, with the help of these, now we should do ascending and descending order problems. See children, in previous classes you have learned ascending order. What is ascending order? Arranging numbers from small to big. They give in an improper way, but we should arrange them from small to big. It is called ascending order. Once I will write the definition on the board, you follow it children. See children, ascending order. Ascending order. Those are having notes, open children, open and write. Arranging numbers. Arranging numbers from small to big. Small to big. This concept, children, this concept we are going, they are given the Roman numerals, they have given in Roman numerals in an exercise children. See children, here we have previously done some problems in this exercise children. Page number 100 and 101. Page number 100 and 101 we have dealt with Roman numerals. For Roman numerals we wrote Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now this one also we have done for homework. Now in 3rd Roman and 4th Roman, ascending and descending order are there. They have given Roman numerals in an improper way. Now, with the help of the values, by using the values, by taking the help of the values of Hindu-Arabic numerals, we should arrange them in ascending order. We should arrange them in ascending order, children. See children, arranging numbers from small to big is called ascending order. Now, I'll start. This one you copy in your notes, children. Now, 3rd Roman, children, in page 101, page 101, 3rd Roman, ascending order. Arrange the Roman numerals in ascending order. First one, A. What they have given? See children, copy, very carefully you copy. What they have given, wrote 2x, this one, this value. Then, see children, they have given in an improper way. What is this children? Write this children. Write this in your notes. Copy this one in your notes. By the help of these values we should do. First we should change this one in Hindu-Arabic numerals. See children, 2x. What is this one? 6. 26. What is this one? What is this one children? 3x. This one? 32. What is this one children? 10. L. This one children, L is 50. L 50. But we have x in left side. So 50 minus 10, 40. And this one 1, 41. This one 3x children. 30. 30 plus 7, 37. Now we changed these in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now, with the help of Hindu-Arabic numerals, we'll change them in ascending order. Ascending order, short form children. Ascending order, short form, AO. See children, now small to big, which is a small number? See children, 26. 26. So, No need of writing Hindu Arabic numerals. Write this one, children. Then, what next? After 27, 32. Then, after 32, 37. Then, 41, last. See, children, they are given in a proper way and we change them in ascending order, children. See, children, these sums, they are in textbook. You copy them in notes, children. Children, first time you have listened A, we completed A. So, now this one B sum, children, in B. See, children, what they have given? CLXX. These all are Roman numerals they have given. We should arrange them in ascending order. How we will get clarity? If we change them into Hindu Arabic numeral, then we will get clarity, children. By the help of the values, you will change them. How we did the A bit? Like that only we should do this B sum also, children. See, children, what are they given? CLXX. What is the value of C? 100. 100 plus L, 50. 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 10, 10. 170. Then CLXV. See, children, C, what is 100 and L, 50. See, children, in rough you can do like this. C, 100 plus L, 50 plus X, 10. Then V, 5. What is the value, children? You add 100 plus 50, 150. 10 plus 10, 60, 160. And plus 565. Like this you should do in rough, children, rough. And you change them in all in Hindu Arabic numerals. See, children, again 60, 100, 100 plus L, 50, 150. Then what is this, children? 8, 158. Then here, see, children, here CL. CL means 100 and 50, 150. Here in between a small number is there. See, children, 150, 10 between 5. So what we should do? Minus 5. If we have any number in left side, then we should minus it. See, children, 10 minus 5. This is 150. 10 minus 5, 155. Here 10, we should minus 5. 155, children. See, children, this is. Now, then we should arrange. We should arrange it. Now we wrote in Hindu Arabic numerals. So again, we should arrange them in ascending order. See, short form of ascending order. Then see, children, 170, 165, 158, 155. Now you arrange them. Which is the least one? 155. So write in Hindu Arabic numeral. See, then next one. This one we have completed. Then next one, which is 158. C, L. Then next one, 165. C, L, X, B. Then next one, C, L, X, X. Now we have arranged them in Hindu Arabic. C, D you do, children, in your notes. Children, now I am going to explain you about descending order. Before I will explain you about ascending order, no, children, now descending order. Descending order means what, children? Arranging numbers from big to small. They are given in improper way. Which numbers, children? Roman numerals. They are given improper way. Now we should arrange them in descending order, children. From descending order means big to small, children. Big to small. Children, so copy this one, children, this definition. Copy this definition. Now I will do. In page 101, these sums are there. These also, with the help of the values, we should do the sums, children. How we did ascending order? Same, but this is in a reverse way. How? They, in ascending order, we will do from small to big. Now, we will do from big to small. How we will get the clarity? We should change them, the numbers, the given Roman numerals, the value, we should see them in Hindu Arabic numerals. Then we will get some clarity. Then after that we should write them in Hindu Arabic numerals. See, children. Now, in page 101 only, underneath ascending order exercise, descending order exercise are there. A, B, C, D. In page 101. See, children, Roman numeral 4. Roman numeral 4, the exercise is the descending order exercise. First one and second one I will show you. Third one and fourth one you do, children. With the help of this, you do. See, children, what they have given in A, X, See children, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? 10. These 3, 10 plus 3, 13. 13. Then x, 10 plus 10, 20. Then here children, 10, c, 10 plus c. But what is here? Big number before small number. So what we should do? 100. C value is 100. Before x is there. 100 minus 10. 90. 90 is the value because in Roman numeral from big to small they will come children. Before small number will not come. Left side. Right side only it will come from small to big. If big Roman numeral left side or small Roman numeral is there, then we should subtract from it. We should subtract from it like this. C minus x 90. C value is 100 no children. So then again C value. What is C value children? 100. 100 plus 5. 105. Then we got the values no children. Then we will get the clarity. So we should arrange them in descending order. What is the short form of descending order? DO. Then see children, from big to small, which is the big number? 105, CB. Then next one, 90, XC. Then double X, or 20. Then 13. See children, like this we should change them with the help of the Indo-Arabic numerals. Now see children, B1, B children. See, this also we should change them in Indo-Arabic numerals. See children, what is the value of D? See children, like this you write. With the help of this, we can should D 500, C 500 after C 100, then L 50. 500 plus 100, 600. 600 plus 50, 650. Then next one, CMX. CMX. See children, M. C is 100, M is 1010. Before M, we got 100. What we should do? 1000 minus 100. Left side is there no children? So we should do minus 100. Then 900. 900 plus 10. 910. 910. Then see this one. L. What is the value of L? 50. 10. 50 plus 10. 60. 70. 80. 6. 86. Then see here children, what is the value of D? 500. Then C 100, 50. 500 plus 100, 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 50, 650, 650, 658. 658. See children, now we should change them into descending order. Descending order. See, big to small. Which is the big one? 658. D, C, L, then 8. Next one. What is again? Sorry children. Here we are having the values just 650 and 910, 86 and 658. Which is the big one? We have 900s, no children. We have 900. So first we should write CMX. CMX. Then two 600s are there. See 10th column 58. So take that one 658. D, C, L. Then this one D, C, L. Then last one, tens is there.